Hey you, smiling is not fake when it saves you. Enjoy every moment, always smile. Even if your heart needs time, joy can start small, start mild. Enjoy every moment, always smile. Enjoy every moment, always smile. I don't ignore what hurts,